Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change your background in the game. I will show you how to do it. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, enjoy. This skin is looking cool. Okay, by the way, you must go into the players. Now, it was really hard to find it, but finally I know where it is. You must click here, edit your card of player. Sorry that it's Polish language. And now, as you can see, wow, you can change your background. It's looking beautiful. Seoult once again. Here you have colors. Which you want. Seoult. Okay. And you can change also this symbols. And you quick equip, and that's all. You made it. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe. Beautiful music. Music from season 1 is the best. On second place is season 2, but I really much prefer season 1 over season 2. Good music. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.